Okay, so we got out of Hurricane Irene in New Jersey, and we're gonna be checking out the flooding. There's one big flood over there. Dad, let's get closer.
Okay. Yeah. The area between Undercliff and Greenwood is all wet.
Let's get closer. Let's get closer there.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna be coming
All right.
Yeah, that's...
Josh, roll your window.
Oh, okay. We have in our park a tree that fell down and knocked...
Sure it's video? I can't even see it.
Yeah, it's video. Yeah, so that's
Oh my God.
Oh, something happened up here. Oh, they're checking out the river.
How about the center of town? Look.
Dad, totally get closer. Dad, get closer.
You gotta turn around.
Oh! So it is coming from everywhere down the river. It's almost coming to our feet, into the playground, and down to okay, so our lovely river before is now almost killing us. Coming from there, coming from everywhere. And it's also coming down from the street. Oh, things flooded. Yeah. Go. Cops gonna yell at. Okay, well, you saw our town. Now it's messed up. Elementary school seems to be fine. Big puddle right there. Going out to the street. Little accident at the playground. Yeah. Make it right.
Hey Josh, wanna get out?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Okay. So, yeah, that's just on one street. You can see it all the way down there. Yeah. The old house, he just moved out last month. And look at his backyard. And he has a porch in the back, and that's like 10 feet or deeper. And now it's all gone. Down Greenwood Road, all those houses back there. And
How you guys are you doing in the house?
not good. Messed up. That house has this weird thing coming from its house, and this pipe going into the. So that's a backyard and their little playhouse, all the way back there. Destroyed. There's a big pool of water. Fire truck. This one's totally full. The car that look up.
Oh my God.
That's Bailey's house. This car is just flooded. This is another road on the backside of town. The water's kind of creeping up on me. Yeah, it is dry. It is. And there's water everywhere going from up there, going all the way down onto where the school was before that we saw. So this is old elementary school, and it grew since last time I was here. Millburn. Underwater. I know, Mom. Because it could be electrocuted and then I could die.